Hi, my name is Henry C.M. Originally from Zambia, moved to South Africa when I was 4 years old, and now I'm here at OCAD University. This piece right here, you're looking at my more thought out view of protection and beauty. How does protection affect beauty, and how does beauty affect protection? So the protruding points here that you see all over the torso are more the protection aspect. Does it add to the beauty of what is seen with this elegant body, or does it subtract from it? Does it make you look at the piece in disgust and awe? My style is more repetition over anything. It sounds a bit odd. Repetition is something that I really enjoy within my work. It's something that motivates me and also relaxing when I do that type of work, and something I'm uniquely satisfied about. Everything is repetitive for me. So I wanted to become an artist. Firstly, I went to a school in South Africa called the National School of the Arts. It was an art leading school, and now I'm here at OCAD University, still striving to become an artist. When I'm making art, I feel like I'm on top of the world. I feel like I'm on top of my world. Hey, that's the nice thing about being an artist. That's the best thing about being an artist. You get to dive deep into your mind and understanding myself more than anything, more than anyone ever will. And that's I make my art. My experience here at OCAD has been one of the greatest things that has ever happened to me. Why? It's because firstly, I wouldn't be able to make something like that. And this is all the help of the sculpture facility. If it wasn't for the professors I had, everyone that I have talked to has helped me with everything. If it wasn't for the influence of the other students, being here on its own gives me this momentum. I see artists everywhere, different types of artists, and it makes me strive. It motivates me to be on top of my game. That's what I have been treated like. That's how I know I'll be treated like until I graduate, and that's something that I personally enjoy here at OCAD. Don't be afraid to go to art school. I say go for it. Why? Because if it's something you love, if it's something you enjoy, if it's a passion of yours, then take it. What you really have to do, just like everything else, is work hard. There are going to be loads of opportunities for you. You're going to open doors to your future, your career. These opportunities will come if you just put effort into it. I am proof to myself and to you. Art is something you can make a career out of.